Alright, so we did urinary last week. Basically, we do reproduction today, and then we'll decide. I think the exam is going to be Wednesday, lab, Thursday lecture, and we can talk about that, but I think that's what it's going to be. I don't know if you guys can see, you're probably better off on that side. Anyhow, basically, the main organ of female reproduction is the ovary, which is this structure here. And when ovulation occurs, the egg cell is released into the fimbria, this part over here, of the fallopian tubes. And this is the fallopian tube over here. So the fallopian tube here goes right into the uterus. This is the uterus. This over here is the ovarian ligament. The ovarian ligament and the fallopian tube. Ovarian ligament holds that in place, and fallopian tube. Now, the uterus is this structure, and this is the urinary bladder. Okay. So, I don't know how many of you have kids or not. Basically, as the woman goes through 9 months of pregnancy, as the baby grows and the uterus stretches and everything, it presses down on the urinary bladder, so she feels like she has to go to the bathroom a lot, basically because the uterus is sitting right on top of the urinary bladder. So this structure here is the ureter. It's the ureter into the urinary bladder. This is the uterus. Ovary and fimbria of the fallopian tubes, fallopian tube, ovarian ligament. Okay? This is the vaginal canal, and this is the rectum. Now the other ovary you can actually see inside here, and again the ovarian ligament is holding in the ovary in place. Your broad ligament is this out here, and that's the fallopian tube, and this is the round ligament over here, and then you have your broad ligaments. Okay, usually the only one I'm going to ask is the ovarian ligament is holding the ovary in place. Okay. The suspensory ligaments I don't think you can see on that. So if we look over here from anterior to posterior, this is mons pubis. Okay, here's the pubic symphysis. This is the clitoris. Okay, and then you have labia minora and labia majora. The whole, an external anatomy is sometimes referred to as the vulva. Okay, but the actual individual parts is the labia minora and the majora. Okay, clitoris. This is the urethra. Okay, here's the external urethral orifice. And the urethra. Here's the urinary bladder. This is the opening for the vaginal canal. Okay, and the vaginal canal here. This up here is the posterior fornix. And this is the cervix, the curved area of the uterus. This is the uterus. Okay, the curved area of the uterus is basically the cervix. And you have your external os and your internal os inside here into the uterine cavity. And then the layers of the uterus are basically your perimetrium, your myometrium, and the endometrium is the inner lining. Endometrium, myometrium is the muscle layer, perimetrium is the outer lining.